everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I've brought you the same book, Earthquake, but part 3. In the last video, we told you that the first earthquake tremor was felt in the city. This is what happened next. Earthquake gossip. I couldn't have a proper bath, grumbled grandfather. There wasn't enough water in the tub. Didn't you feel it? Asked grandmother. Feel what? The earthquake. Didn't feel a thing. You must have imagined it. Well, most of the crockery is broken, as well as that vase you brought back from Burma. You can eat your lunch out of a banana leaf or use Dolly's tea set. Where are Mukesh and Dolly? Dolly is under the staircase again. It's her favorite place. Mukesh is playing outside with Mumta's biggest boy. The tremor didn't seem to bother them. But I hope that shock didn't cause any damage at Rakesh's school. Couldn't have. We hardly felt it. You never notice anything when you are in the bath. Everyone else felt it, including the hens. They have suffered nervous breakdowns and won't lay eggs for days. Going around the house, grandmother noticed several cracks in the walls and pointed them out to grandfather. They were there before, said grandfather. They've been there for years. Well, I hadn't noticed them before. Anyway, it's time we left this house. It's much too big and costs too much to look after. I suppose we can settle in Calcutta. But you won't enjoy living in a small flat, and you're not used to the crowds. I was thinking of another hill station where they don't have earthquakes. We could sell this place and buy or rent a cottage in Darjeeling or Kalimpong. Then pray we don't have another earthquake, said grandfather. No one is going to buy a ruin. They heard Mukesh shouting in the garden. He is up to mischief as usual, grumbled grandmother, going out to see what all the noise was about. Mukesh had found a nest with several broken eggs on the lawn and was shouting because he was being attacked by a pair of angry thrushes. What did you do to that nest? Demanded grandmother. Nothing, said Mukesh. It fell out of the tree when everything began to shake. That must have been what happened. But keep away from that nest, or those birds will really go for you. The dog Pickle had been running about looking for whoever had caused all the commotion. He and the neighbor's dog began barking at each other as though laying blame at each other's doorsteps. How dare you rock my house? They seemed to be saying. Eventually, tiring of the argument, Pickle went into the storeroom looking for rats. He was good at catching rats. In the town, everyone was talking about the tremor that had just been felt. As there hadn't been any serious damage and nothing big had fallen down, it was all thought to have been great fun. But there were older people who remembered the earthquake of 30 years ago and who had lost friends, relatives, and homes when hundreds of houses had fallen down. They knew that a mild earthquake tremor was often followed by a second, more severe shock, and they dreaded this possibility. There was talk of the jail collapsing and prisoners escaping, the mighty Brahmaputra river changing its course and flooding the whole of Assam, while crocodiles invaded towns and villages, glaciers sliding down from the Himalayas, and the earth opening up and swallowing the whole of Shillong. The end of the world is near, proclaimed a holy man in the bazaar. Tell us, Holy One, what should we do about it? Asked a shopkeeper. Purify yourself, said the holy man. Take care of your soul. In other words, said a passing wit, don't cheat your customers. And when did you ever work for a living? Shouted the shopkeeper. You still owe me 20 rupees. Back in the Burman house, family sat down to a quiet lunch. It wasn't quite for long because Dolly wanted what was on Mukesh's plate, even though it was no different from hers, and when she was told to eat her own food, she threw a tantrum. These children, sighed Rakesh, bolting down his rice and bean curry. It's time they went to school. It's time you got back to school, said grandmother. It's 1:30. We are not having school this afternoon. Although we couldn't get an earthquake holiday, we are going to watch the cricket match. There is a team from Calcutta playing against Lake Club. Take me with you, said Mukesh. No, you're always falling off the back of the cycle. I'll sit in front then. You'll stay at home, said grandmother. The last time you went to a football match, you got lost. But this is a cricket match, argued Mukesh. No one gets lost at cricket matches. Would you like to come with me to the Bengali sweet shop? Asked grandfather. Oh please, said Mukesh. It's better than cricket, better than that rotten bicycle. Why do we have earthquakes? Asked Rakesh. Well, said grandfather, the earth has been around a long time, millions of years, and sometimes it feels the stress and strain of being so old. Are you a million? Interrupted Mukesh. Not yet, said grandfather. Not yet. But just like me, the earth wants to stretch a little and yawn, and when it does, the earth's crust has these convulsions. We call them earthquakes. But why does it have to stretch here? Asked Rakesh. It can stretch anywhere and does. Tokyo, San Francisco, Iran, the South Pacific, Italy, Turkey. There is hardly any corner of the earth that hasn't felt an earthquake at some time or the other. Of course, in some places it's worse. This is one of the places where earth likes to do its stretching. When the lunch was over, Rakesh rode off to the cricket ground, and grandfather and Mukesh walked off in the direction of the bazaar, and Dolly followed grandmother into the courtyard to help with the washing. It was about 10 minutes later that the real earthquake was felt and the half the town came tumbling down. Do you want to know what happened next? Happened next and during the real earthquake tremor? Well, that's in the next part of the story in the next video. If you like the story, please like and share and comment below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get more interesting and lovely stories. Thank you.